In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make e-commerce website in Odoo. We will go through the key setup tasks so you can create an online store, add your products, and configure payments and delivery options. Follow along at your own pace and make sure you are using the website application area where the store settings are located. First, go to Website. Once you are inside the website section, look for the e-commerce option and click it. This area is where Odoo helps you turn a standard website into a working online shop. After you click e-commerce, you should see a section related to products or the store catalog. Next, click Products. This is where you will manage everything customers see in your shop, including product listings and product details. When the Products page opens, click New to create a product. Now add the details for your product. This usually includes key information like the product name, pricing, and any other basic attributes shown on the form. Take a moment to fill out the required fields carefully, because this information will be used to display your item on the storefront. When you enter the details, you should also review how the product will appear, so you can confirm that the text and pricing look correct. After that, save the product so it becomes available in your online catalog. Now that your products are set up, the next part is making sure people can pay for orders. We will switch to payment settings inside website. Go to Configuration, then find Payment Providers. This is the area where you choose which payment method your store will support. Click Payment Providers, and you should see a list of providers or options. Select a provider that fits your needs based on what you want to offer customers at checkout. After selecting the provider, you will need to enable it. Enabling the provider is important because it activates the payment option for real transactions. Make sure the provider status shows as enabled or active, and check that the setting is properly saved. If Odoo asks you to confirm any configuration or activation state, complete those prompts before moving on. The goal here is to ensure customers can move from placing an order to completing payment without any missing steps. After payments are enabled, you will want to set up delivery so customers know how shipping works. This is the final part of the setup workflow. Go back to Website and click Configuration again. Then look for the Delivery section and choose Methods. In that Delivery Methods area, you will set the options that customers can select at checkout. This step matters because delivery rules and shipping methods affect the total cost and delivery timeframe shown to customers. When you open Methods, you should see existing delivery rules or the option to create new ones. Follow what is available in your instance and make sure the delivery methods you set match what you actually offer. Take your time to review the configuration so that the store calculates delivery correctly. Once you are satisfied with your delivery setup, you should publish your changes so they take effect for visitors. Finally, when everything is ready, click Publish. Publishing confirms that the store settings you configured are live on your website. After you publish, you can return to your store preview or front-end view to check that products appear correctly, payments are available, and delivery options show up at checkout. This helps you verify that your setup works as expected from a customer perspective. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.